like printing numbers. So the same thing, right? To print the numbers, what we have to do? We have to use the print statement as usual, and then we have to give the number. But one difference, if you notice here, is no, we are not passing either single quotes or double quotes. So to print the number, we need not pass or enclose the numbers inside a single quote or double quote. Okay, this 100 is a number and we call as integer. Did anyone know what is an integer? Do you know? Okay. Yeah, I will cover that later. Okay. Yeah. So look at, no, the printf function prints directly without quotes. So we no need to pass any quotes. Okay. The other statement says like, no, unlike strings, numbers don't need to be enclosed in quotes. Okay. Any questions here? No questions here. Shall I move on? Okay. And then what we have practiced? So we have practically printing mathematical operations, right? So we now looked at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So to print adding two numbers, what we have to do? Just use the print statement, then use the plus operator. Okay, we'll call this operator. Okay, this plus symbol is nothing but the addition operator. Then whichever number you want to print, right? No, you can. So whichever number we want to print, right? We need to pass it here. Okay, it's a mathematical expression. So this we call as a mathematical expression. It's mathematics. So addition, subtraction, division, multiplication falls under mathematics, mathematical expression. Okay, what will happen, right? So Python, no, first will calculate what inside the parenthesis. Okay, so what inside the parenthesis? 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10, right? So then the Python will print that 10. That's what, no, Python first evaluates the expression. Okay, guys are with me? And then it will print. And then as usual, the print of nothing but the same function that displays a result. There is no difference in the printf function, but what important is like, no, first, no, it will evaluates. No, Python evaluates the expression. This is nothing but an expression. Okay. Any questions? Then we have learned subtraction, the same thing, but here, no, we are using a subtraction operator. That's it, and we are passing the numbers, number 1 and number 2. Okay, what will happen? It will evaluates 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then Python will print that 0. Yeah? Any questions to anyone? Okay. So, and then we saw the multiplication. To use the multiplication, we should use this symbol, okay, asterisk, okay, not this one. Usually what we will do in mathematics, we use 5 into 5, right, equal to 25. But here we use asterisk. The same thing, no, I'm repeating till evaluates what is 5 cross 5 equal 25, and then it will just print that, okay. Okay, and so then we saw division also. So in convention like mathematics, what's the symbol we will use? We will use, right, 5 by 5. But here you use a slash. Okay, and then Python will evaluates what's the value of this expression. Okay, evaluates. Okay, for division first evaluates, and then 5 cross is 1, but Python always print as float. Did anyone know what is a float? Okay, I will explain that. Okay, Sorry? It's not floating, that not float. Okay, I will explain that, okay? It's a data type. We'll come to that later, in the later part of the chapter. Okay? And that's all. Once that is done, it will prints that.